When a loved one is older and in need of special care, it can take a mental, physical, and even financial toll on the entire family. This is especially true if a loved one has Alzheimer's or an advancing dementia. Here to talk about levels of care and what you need to know about it is Rob Slutsky, an elder law and estate planning attorney. Rob, this is really top of mind for many families who have aging parents. So let's talk about the levels of care. Where do you begin?
Well, we always want to start at home because that's frankly where most people want to be if they have the choice. So when we look at the possibility of staying at home, we look at a number of issues. For instance, do we have family support? Are there family members who can sort of watch over mom? Are they close? Are they far? Do they have jobs that take them out of town? How many kids do we have? Do we have friends and neighbors who help out? Depends on the situation. We also have to look at mom and dad's wishes. Again, most people assume they want to stay at home, but some people would be isolated at home and need the socialization of an institutional location. Adult daycare is also another option that can help a family help their loved ones stay at home longer, because adult daycare, just like normal daycare for kids, usually works from about 8 to 5 and provides supervision and care and activities and food.
Yeah.
If a person, because of either financial or other reasons, can't stay at home, then we have to look at the different levels of what we call institutional care. At the first level in Pennsylvania is called a personal care home. But personal care homes are very flexible. They can provide anything from very basic supervision to, to helping somebody doing their wash and making sure they're just safe and meal prep, to very advanced levels of care where they might have a secure unit where the person who has dementia can't leave.
But how do you create, though, a framework so that you can really plan for this and even evaluate what kind of resources that would be available for it?
Well, hopefully in an ideal situation, we want to plan ahead. A lot of times we're dealing with crisis where we're looking at emergency situations. So it really depends on the family and their desire to plan ahead. But in either event, whether we have an emergency or we've thought about this several years ahead of time, there are options to maximize the financial resources and get people the care that they want and need within their framework.
How does a lawyer help with this?
Well, lawyers can help because we're planners by nature. We're always trying to think 2 steps ahead. So as an elder law attorney, we assess the family situation, the financial situation, and frankly, the person's health care, and we try to help the family then determine what's the appropriate care plan and how to pay for it.
All right. Rob Slutsky, a pleasure.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah,
Thank
always
you.
Nice to talk to you. Well, Rob is going to be back in a few weeks also to talk about financing and payment for different levels of care, so you can watch for that. For more information on Robert Slutsky and the elder law and estate planning, you can go to cbsphilly.com and click on the Talk Philly. We're coming right back.